Hello guys, how are you? So first of all, before talking about anything, I would like to thank you all for thank you, especially the people who left their very sweet comments on my previous video, which I posted over a month ago. And in that video, I sort of announced my comeback, and then I went, oh bhai sahab. So yeah, I went, I did not go missing or anything. Also, the intention of being regular and posting consistently is one of my priorities, at least on the in my head. But how realistic has it been is in front of you. So I'm not going to excuse myself from that. Yes, I still do want to post regularly and be a consistent creator, but it's just that my current commitments kinda sorta make me go the other way. And it's not even the commitments, to be very honest, it's the effect that doing the work that I do leaves upon me. So more so it's not about what I do, but what happens. I'm sorry, please pardon me. So it's not so much about what happens to me, but how I let it affect myself. And currently I'm not doing a very good job at not letting it affect me. But nonetheless, things are now falling in line, and in the near future I am hopeful that I will be able to make more consistent videos. This is DB City Mall for y'all. By the way, यहाँ पे Decathlon भी आ गया है, तो sooner or later I lived in Indore, not exactly in Indore, but for a whole year I was so close to Decathlon. I have been to Indore, so oh my god, what is happening? I have been to Indore for so many times, but never visited Decathlon. And they had a very good store like in Indore, and it was a dream to go there, but I was just so busy that I could never make the time. Nonetheless, DB Mall में खुल गया है भाई, अब अपन आएंगे यहाँ पे बहुत जल्दी. And tell me about yourself guys. This is a one-way conversation, but I am pretending. I'm not even pretending, बस मेरे मन में एकदम से आ गया कि this is, you can also talk to me. But yes, you can talk to me. You can leave your comments down below, and I will be responding to those comments. This, by the way, was GG flyover, because जहाँ से हम चढ़े थे that was गणेश मंदिर, and जहाँ हम उतरे हैं यहाँ राइट हैंड साइड पे गायत्री मंदिर है. Not the safest exit, I would say. Somebody also met with a terrible accident a couple of months ago on this particular flyover, and the guy basically lost his life. Somebody dragged him for a significant amount of distance. But again, and the road conditions as soon as you leave the flyover are pathetic. Right now I'm moving towards the old Bhopal side, and as you can see, the work is still going on. Not the best road conditions. Sometimes यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा जाम लग जाता है कि आपको बता नहीं सकता भाई, ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि ये भोपाल है. मतलब इतना गंदा जाम लगता है यहाँ पे. And it just makes me think, what if somebody is being rushed to a hospital in an ambulance, or not even an ambulance भाई, हो सकता है कोई अपने प्राइवेट व्हीकल में अपने फादर मदर पेरेंट किसी को भी लेके जा रहा हो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को, और वो ऐसे जाम में फंस जाए. Just scares the shit out of me, because it could be any day be somebody or भगवान ना करे yourself. Nonetheless, कंप्लेन करके कुछ फ़ायदा तो होना नहीं है. और फिर लोग भी यहाँ पे बड़े वो है ना भाई. मैं खुद भी बहुत अच्छा सिटीज़न नहीं हूँ. मतलब आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट, बट sometimes other people get on my nerves and I also act a little bit recklessly. Not an excuse though, but I'm just being honest here. Also, the reason I'm making this motor vlog in the first place is that I was like, I have to go buy a chimney from you know, there's a showroom right under this bridge. So I will be switching off the video very soon. But yeah, I posted a story on Instagram, and by the way Instagram पे भी मैं almost 2 साल के बाद वापस आया हूँ. Like मेरा account 2 साल deactivated था. If you want to make me a video, if you want me to make a video on why I was AWOL from Instagram, please leave just one comment. वैसे अगर मेरे को इनफ मोटिवेशन खुद आ गया तो मैं खुद ही बना दूंगा, लेकिन अगर एक किसी ने भी कमेंट कर दिया तो मैं पक्का ही बना दूंगा भाई, ठीक है. मुझे मज़ा आएगा बताने में. या so I posted a story on Instagram, and my very close friend, close enough that I haven't even met him in almost a year now, commented on the story. I did not even know कि story पे भी comment होते हैं. Commented on the story कि motor vlogs वापस लेके आओ, and that became a thread. Other friends even roasted me on it, but yeah, that's the whole motivation behind making this motor vlog. I was going to make it like a whole vlog where I would also like do a camera thing. I have made one which I have not even edited yet because मेरे computer को power supply में थोड़ा सा problem आ रहा है. Showroom तो खुला है. So yeah, looking at the traffic, I'm now going to stop the video. Thank you for watching. This was Shashwat Vishnu Rawat, and you were watching Super SVR. Okay, chaliye, bye bye.